Assalamu alaikum students, I am Shakeel Ahmad. In history today we will discuss the topic the Allahabad Address 1930. Students, in 1930 the annual session of Muslim League was held in the city of Allahabad, and it was presided by the philosopher poet Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal, who was asked by Muhammad Ali Jinnah to chair the meeting. So, in the presidential address of Allama Muhammad Iqbal, he called for the Muslims of the subcontinent to work towards achieving an independent homeland for themselves. Further, he argued that Islam had given its followers a creed which united the Muslims of the subcontinent into one nation as a whole. There could be no peace unless they were recognized as a nation, and under a federal system, the areas of Muslim majority should be given the same privileges as the areas of Hindu majority were having the benefits and authorities and rights as well. Further, he stated that he would like to see Punjab, Sindh, Northwest Frontier Province, and Balochistan as the amalgamation all together into a single state, either within the British Empire or outside the British Empire. Students, now we'll discuss the significance or importance of the session of 1930 at Allahabad. First of all, Allama Iqbal was considered the first Muslim leader to suggest partition of the subcontinent or India. In keeping with the two nation theory in mind, he has therefore been called the father of the ideology of Pakistan. Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal was the first person who considered the division of the subcontinent as the sole solution of all types of political and constitutional problems of India. That's why he was called the uh, manufacturer or creator of the idea of division. Secondly, his views acted as an inspiration to many Muslim people, common people who were quite uncertain about how to defend their religious and cultural rights. Allama Iqbal gave them a clear cut objective as he set out a goal for Muslims to work uh, towards achieving their objective or aim or goal. Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal was also the source of inspiration for other Muslim leaders of that time. Just like in 1933, Chaudhry Rahmat Ali had raised the idea of separate homeland. Even he suggested the name Pakistan for that separate Muslim state. Chaudhry Rahmat Ali was a student who was studying in Cambridge University in 1933, and he was very keen and concerning about the struggle of Muslims towards attaining their own political and all types of rights. So they were also to be the basis of Jinnah's Pakistan resolution in future in 1940. Uh, and furthermore, Dr. Iqbal's poetry was proved another source of inspiration for the Muslims of India. That poetry kindled a sense of nationhood and motivated the Muslims to work hard to achieve their goal. Iqbal's poetry by that time was a big source of motivation and inspiration uh, because it was based upon the thought provoking for the Muslims who were at the verge of decline, and they were struggling hard for the protection of their political and other types of rights.